In this video, we will show you how to change the embroidery format for existing embroidery designs. Old embroidery files or embroidery files purchased by online databases can be a good source of artwork for your designs. You may have JEF files, which you want to change into Pfaff, for example, to send them on another machine. You can simply open the JEF files and save them into another format. But you should have in mind that major embroidery machine manufacturers like Elna, Pfaff, Husqvarna-Viking, Babylock, Nike use file formats that have a hoop assigned to each design. So before saving into a new format, you need to change the machine and select a suitable hoop. In that way, the new file will be correctly read by the machine. So, start by opening this JEF file. As you can see, the design has the default machine and hoop selected. In order to save the design, change the machine and select a suitable hoop for the design. Now you can plug a USB flash drive into your computer. Have in mind that the USB flash drive needs to be formatted with FAT32 file system so that it is correctly supported by the majority of embroidery machines. Keep also in mind that the majority of embroidery machines support USB flash drives up to 8 GB. Now, go to Export to USB. If you don't see any drives listed, then probably the flash drive is not formatted correctly. Select your flash drive and save the design into the format supported by the machine it is to be sent to. Sometimes the software may offer to create a special folder structure that is suitable for the selected machine. Notice that if you're working with only one machine, but you have designs in non-suitable formats, it's better to set a default machine and hoop. After that, all designs that you create will automatically have this machine and hoop assigned. Then the only thing you'll need to change is the selected hoop so that you have the right size for each specific design. If you own multiple machines or send designs to others for production, you need to make sure that you select a machine and hoop according to which machine will be used for production. You can also save embroidery files through the Save As option from the File menu. Expand the Save As type list to select a file type to save. You will find many embroidery formats on this list. On the top of the list, there are the software's file formats, which hold all artwork and properties. Then you see the formats supported by the selected machine. And finally comes a list of all formats that are not linked to a specific hoop. If you save into a format that doesn't require a hoop, you can simply use the Save As option. But if the format you're looking for is not on the list, then you should select the proper machine and hoop.